Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the ticket in hand, so start at the header where essential identifiers live. Scan the top for a numeric train code often near the train name. It's usually 4 or 5 digits. Once found, verify the journey date and boarding station code nearby to confirm the match. Make sure the number isn't a booking or PNR number by checking labels. Train number is labeled train or placed beside the train name. Next, you'll confirm that numeric string is truly the train number by matching it to the printed train name. The number sits immediately next to or above the name. If multiple numbers appear, distinguish the train number from PNR or booking ID by their labels and length. PNR is typically 10 digits. Once done, cross-check coach and seat information nearby so you don't confuse coach numbers for train identifiers. This reduces ticket reading errors when boarding. To finish, cross-verify the train number using your booking app, SMS confirmation, or the reservation print. This confirms last-minute changes. If the printed ticket is smudged or ambiguous, ask the station counter or ticket agent to read it aloud so you're certain. Make sure to save a screenshot or photo of the verified number for quick reference during travel. If numbers still conflict, request reprint or official clarification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.